Dear students, today we are going to talk about Kingdom Protista. What is Kingdom Protista? Kingdom Protista is one of the kingdom of five kingdom classification. Under this kingdom, all unicellular eukaryotic organisms come. These are generally aquatic, the members of Kingdom Protista are aquatic generally. They can inhabit in fresh water as well as marine water. And due to the body organization of organisms coming under this kingdom, the body organization of organisms are cellular body organization. As you know, there are two types of cellular organization. One is a prokaryotic type of cellular organization, meaning thereby one is prokaryotic organisms, and second is eukaryotic organisms. What is prokaryotic cellular organization? Those cellular organization which do not contain intracellular cell organelles is known as prokaryotic type of cellular organization, and those cell which contain all intracellular membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, nucleus is known as eukaryotic type of cellular organization. Here in this case, all protists are eukaryotic unicellular organism. Now, where these organisms inhabit its its habitat is aquatic. It is found in aquatic habitats, meaning thereby the protists are found in water, marine water or fresh water, and the protists organisms coming under this kingdom, that is protist, generally reproduce by a sexual mode of reproduction. However, sexual reproduction also occur by forming zygote. Now, come on this point. How many types of protista? Protista is categorized in five different category, meaning thereby there are five types of protists. One is chrysophytes, as for example diatoms and red golden algae. Second one is dinoflagellates. Its example is goniolochs. This is a unicellular organism found in ocean and produce a red tide in ocean, because this organism, that is goniolochs, contain a red pigment and on the basis of red or other colored pigments, these dinoflagellates are named. Now come on, the third type of protist, Euglenoids. Its example is Euglena, and this is autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. This is a very typical organisms in entire living organisms because it is performing photosynthesis as well as it is also a organism which show heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In the absence of sunlight, it act as heterotrophic organism. It will be discussed in more detail in our coming videos. Now fourth type is slime molds. This is the saprophytic protists. What is saprophytes? It will be discussed in more detail in our upcoming video. Now fifth type of protist is protozoans, and these protozoans are further of four types: amoeboids, flagellated, ciliated, sporozoans. In conclusion, the kingdom Protista is one of the most important kingdom of five kingdom classification which was proposed by Whitaker in 1969. All protists are unicellular eukaryotic organism, and these are of five types: chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans. If you found, if you feel this video is beneficial for you, then you must subscribe this channel. You can share this video, like, and click the I button, bell button, so that you can receive my all videos first. Thank you so much for watching this video.